In this guide, I'm going to show you how to make a shirt on Roblox Mobile. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you actually need to close out of Roblox and open up a web browser and search for Roblox shirt template. Go to images and you need to just find the classic clothing shirt template, which looks something like this. You're going to want to save this to your photos, so just hold down on that and then go ahead and select save to photos. Then back out and you're going to have a few different options for how you can actually edit this. The one that I recommend is using Canva. This is a free app, so open up the App Store, just search for Canva, hit enter. It's going to load for a second and just download this app. It's completely free and it's very, very easy to use, which is why I recommend it. Open it up and it's going to look something like this for you. What you need to do is just scroll down, select upload, and then select photo library, choose your template, hit the little check, and then it's going to pop up with the page. It looks like this, where you could select edit image. This is where you're going to want to edit pretty much everything on here. Now for a simple shirt, you just got to add, shapes over the template sections. Do really whatever you want. It's completely up to you. It kind of tells you exactly what this is. And it's going to show you a little guy over here that demonstrates where exactly it's going to appear as well. So you can really do whatever you want to do. What I'm going to do is just pretty much get a random design and put it on here. I just searched up flame texture, right? I'm going to go to images and get something kind of corny, right? For the sake of this video. So save another image or whatever you want. Go back to Canva. And then from here, what you need to go ahead and do is essentially import that image in. And once you import the image, just resize it or crop it to go pretty much wherever you want. I recommend just copying the image, right? And then you can just paste it in. And you could just drag it pretty much everywhere on here, no matter what. So for example, I could put this here and then I could crop it a little bit to make it fit better. Bang, bang. And let's just go ahead and just continuously keep pasting this guy right here by scrolling all the way over, selecting that, and then hitting paste. And as you can see, we could just keep doing this. And you know what? For the sake of this, we're going to speed up the process a little bit and just make it go across everything. And then we're just going to crop like that, right? Obviously, spend a lot more time, get this exactly however you want it, but whenever you're ready, just hit download and it's going to save it as an image, just like so. Once it finishes, you need to actually go back to Roblox itself. So open up Roblox, this time hit more up in the top left, and down at the very bottom, you're going to see a create section. Select create, it's going to load you to a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, select the three lines, go to creations, and you need to select avatar items. Go down here, select classics in here. So scroll through and select classics. Once you do that, hit upload asset, and you need to simply just go ahead and select upload, hit photo library, choose your photo, bang, check. Once you go ahead and do that, you can add the name, the description, and then you have to spend 10 Robux in order to upload it. After you upload, you can wear it directly from your avatar editor, and you could also put it on sale as well, which is very convenient. It's pretty cool. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.